Holochain is a basic technology that allows individuals to connect with one another while maintaining control over the data they share. As a result, Holo is building a platform that connects Holochain users to the standard internet. Holochain is also witnessing significant acceptance as new Holochain applications, hApps, are created, providing developers with a more efficient and cost-effective alternative to blockchains. Furthermore, this was accomplished with far lower initial and ongoing costs, instant transaction finality, and the absence of traditional consensus techniques. Holochain's distributed hash table makes all of this feasible, DHT. In addition, as the Holochain platform has garnered industry-wide reputation, the Holo token, HOT, has lately reached fresh all-time highs. Disclaimer: before we get into the video, allow us to mention that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. We would recommend you ensure that you conduct a due diligence process before making any decision that may affect your financial portfolio. If you are looking forward to seeking external advice, head out to your trusted financial advisor, who has a clear idea of your financial situation. Having said that, let us get into this video message. We'll look at the many aspects of the Holochain and Holo ecosystems in this essay. We'll go over the various applications that use the Holochain platform, how to get passive income with Holo, and how the Holo token, HOT, and Holo Fuel work together. We'll also look at how Holochain is using post-blockchain technologies to build a better internet that empowers consumers. This business is still in its infancy. Despite the rapid growth of blockchain and distributed ledger technology, DLT, every day, the industry's ingenuity and inventiveness propel crypto and blockchain into new territory. What is Holochain? Holochain was created with the goal of creating a distributed internet that prioritizes user autonomy. Holochain is rethinking how we distribute, store, and process data by redefining how we distribute, store, and process data. Holochain aspires to build a more human internet, one in which interactions and relationships aren't dictated or disregarded by centralized institutions, and information isn't immorally commoditized. Holochain is establishing an internet that serves individuals rather than corporations by reducing corporate control. Without relying on centralized entities, Holochain allows consumers to take ownership of their own data and online identity while transacting and engaging with applications that match their needs. Furthermore, Holochain allows developing distributed Holochain applications simple, quick, and cost-effective, hApps. Holochain also uses post-blockchain technologies to distinguish data integrity from data security. This is accomplished without resorting to proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS, consensus procedures, more explained later. Holochain allows developers to create fully distributed peer-to-peer web applications fast and efficiently. Furthermore, because scalability is a priority for Holochain, the protocol can support a global architecture similar to Twitter or Facebook's, without the need for centralized data centers or storage. Holochain has developed a platform that allows developers to create JavaScript-based distributed applications. How does Holochain work? The approach to transaction verification and confirmation differs significantly between blockchain technology and Holochain's use of a distributed hash table, DHT. A proof of work, POW, consensus technique is used by all nodes in the blockchain network to obtain consensus. Some proof of stake, POS, methods, on the other hand, just require a majority confirmation from the network to authenticate a transaction. The hashchain strategy is agent-centric with a distributed hash table, DHT. This means that nodes can check and validate transactions on their own. For transparency, this is broadcast to the rest of the network, with surrounding nodes double-checking the verification. In the present blockchain development landscape, scalability is a top priority. As the number of nodes in a blockchain network grows, more energy is required to confirm transactions. Many blockchain developers, including novel Layer 2 solutions, are working to overcome this problem. By sharding distributed hash tables, Holochain has devised a solution to this problem, DHT. As the network grows in size, this helps by reducing the transaction load on each node. Furthermore, as compared to blockchain technology, the energy required to create Holo tokens is negligible. For many people, the upfront cost of being a node or validator on major blockchains like Bitcoin or Ethereum is a significant barrier to entry. It's possible that this is related to the initial hardware or the minimum tokens required to stake. Holochain is a non-mining blockchain that can run multiple full nodes on a mobile device. Holochain is a post-blockchain technology that doesn't require mining or staking. Therefore, Holochain cannot be exposed to any majority attacks. This also significantly minimizes the network's already minimal risk of rogue actors. Users can trust and verify code on a single node, with the added benefit of being able to audit it. DHT, Distributed Hash Table. The idea of employing distributed ledger technology, DLT, with a decentralized ledger for all nodes to connect to is removed with distributed hash table, DHT, technology. Holochain is more on having separate source chains and self-sufficient nodes. This is an alternative to having all nodes on the network at the same time. The validity of nodes is tested against each other and against their neighbors. There is no proof of work, POW, proof of stake, POS, or any other consensus method in a distributed hash table, DHT. As a result, the Holo token requires very little energy to generate, HOT. Furthermore, DHT networks are significantly more efficient at scaling than blockchains. Sharding DHT is simpler and less expensive than sharding blockchains. Furthermore, transactions are handled instantly and without risk of delay. What is Holo? Holochain refers to Holo as the bridge that connects the mainstream internet and Holochain. Furthermore, Holo's Holo Host application allows anyone to use the Holo hosting box. This program operates in the background on users' PCs, monetizing any unused storage or processing capacity. If individuals aren't using their computers to their full potential, which the vast majority aren't, Holo has provided a way for them to earn Holo Fuel by becoming a Holo host. Holo hosts receive Holo Fuel in exchange for sharing space and computational resources and allowing others to host Holochain apps, hApps, and data. Furthermore, Holo hosts have control over which hApps they host, the fees associated with hosting, and the order in which applications are prioritized. Holo ecosystem, centralized or decentralized? Holochain is a self-sustaining, completely distributed platform in and of itself. However, the team acknowledges that, in order to achieve mass adoption, consumers would have to make a gradual transition from centralized to decentralized entities. This is frequently due to a lack of technical knowledge and awareness, or the convenience of a centralized user experience. This is where Holo enters the picture. Holo is intended to serve as a link between centralized systems and the decentralized, distributed Holochain environment. Because Holo connects the two, the team understands that some components of the Holo ecosystem must be centralized. What are Holo ports? Holo ports are hosting devices that also serve as a link between Holochain applications, hApps, and users on the rest of the internet. Users are paid with Holo Fuel for using Holo and Holo ports to provide distributed processing power to peer-to-peer hApps. Holo ports, on the other hand, are external hardware devices that are utilized to direct surplus computational resources to the Holochain network. The Holo Port Nano, the Holo Port, and the Holo Port Plus are the three sizes of Holo ports. Holo and Holochain are collaborating to reduce unused computing capacity by rewarding users for sharing their resources with others around the world. What is Holo Fuel? Holo Fuel is an asset-backed mutual credit currency that can only be obtained through the Holochain network's exchange of computational power. Holo Fuel's main goal is to compensate Holo hosts for their contributions. The mutual credit accounting system used by Holochain can handle billions of microtransactions every day. Value stable, not value static is how Holo Fuel is described. This means the pricing isn't tied to a certain currency or commodity. Holo Fuel, on the other hand, is measured in computational units, which are a mix of bandwidth, storage, and processing time. As a result, Holo Fuel might be viewed as a Holochain equivalent of Ethereum gas. Users will soon be able to trade their Holo Fuel for computing power on the network or sell it on the open market. Holo Fuel is the quintessential cog in the machine of sharing distributed computing power across the Holochain network. Holochain applications, hApps users can connect with, construct, and/or host distributed Holochain applications, hApps, over the network using Holochain. Open source preset modules from libraries and utility classes available on GitHub can be used to develop hApps. For developers, there is a wide selection of tools accessible. Rust HDK, Rust Holochain Development Kit, Zoom Explorer Tool, Holochain Playground, and Holo.js Wrapper are some of the tools available. The Holochain IDE App Builder and Holochain RAD Tools Phase 2, Rapid Application Development, are just a few of the others. Holo Token, HOT. The ERC20 Holo Token, HOT, was originally released in 2018 as part of an initial coin offering, ICO. Upon the mainnet's launch, HOT tokens were sold as an IOU for the redemption of HoloFuel tokens. Holo tokens may be purchased on Uniswap and Binance, among other respected exchanges. From $0.0002 during the March 2020 crash to $0.0095 in early March 2021, the price has changed dramatically. According to CoinGecko, the HOT token is now trading at about $0.007, with market size of $1.2 billion. The $20 million raised from the initial coin offering, ICO, was reinvested in Holochain infrastructure research and development. The company published an updated Holochain plan on their Medium blog in February 2021, detailing when the mainnet will be launched. Furthermore, Holochain supporters are looking forward to the one-to-one token transfer from HOT to HoloFuel tokens. According to Holochain's most recent roadmap update, the Holo suite of applications will be released in Phase 3, Alpha/Beta form by the end of Q1 2021. The current price movement of the Holo token, HOT, appears to be linked to the possibility of more interesting developments in the near future. Holo, Holochain and Holo token, HOT, summary. With the development of a distributed hash table, Holochain introduces a new notion around distributed and decentralized technologies, DHT. According to Holochain, this technology is a post-blockchain system that utilizes all of the benefits of blockchain. Furthermore, this is accomplished without the downsides associated with many blockchains, such as high initial costs, network congestion, and excessive gas prices. Holo is a bridge that connects the distributed Holochain network to the mainstream centralized internet, and it operates in tandem with Holochain. Furthermore, Holo allows users to make money off of their unused computer resources. Users can generate passive income with cryptocurrency by getting HoloFuel tokens, which can be redeemed for cryptocurrency or computing power. So, that is our analysis about the foundation of Holochain, Holo and the HOT token. Thank you for stopping by to watch. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Make sure the bell notification is turned on so you don't miss any new information from us. Also, don't forget to share your investing opinions. In our next one, we'll see you all again.